if you look at what's going on out there in the market, and I'm going to set the stage a little bit about some of the challenges, because this is a product that is very specifically driven towards driving down your costs of storage on the three big public clouds, Google, AWS, and Azure. Okay. And if you look at some of the challenges that companies face when we go out and talk to them about cost optimization, and when we're doing that analysis around how can we drive cost out of Azure and AWS, we typically, when it gets to storage, we really focused on looking for resources that, in the FinOps world, they refer to these as zombie resources that are, disconnected resources that you're paying for. So in other words, I've got storage, a VM was destroyed, that storage should be removed from my environment, but it's still there and I'm still paying for it.